Welcome home for the holidays. I'm here at 126 Calle, Ensueno. I'm so excited to show you around, and this is definitely going to put you in the spirit for the holidays. Ever wonder what a Florida Keys Christmas is like? Join me as I show you a Florida Keys Christmas like no other in this gorgeous $8.5 million estate. Imagine waking up on Christmas morning in a luxurious mansion that embodies the essence of the holiday season. Come on in, step inside. You can feel the magic of Christmas in the air, and I just can't wait to show you around. This stunning estate is the epitome of luxury with a warm and inviting atmosphere and the perfect location for your boats and instant access to the Atlantic Ocean. Hi, I'm Lisa, and welcome to 126 Calle Ensueno. Stunning 7 bedrooms, 7 bath, masterpiece of a home on Sombrero Isle. This home is situated on 1.5 acres of land. This spectacular home is on the market for $8.5 million. I'm so excited to show you around, and I hope that you can envision yourself home for the holidays. Enjoy taking a look. At this luxury estate on prestigious Sombrero Isle, Christmas comes with sunshine, swaying palms, and a lifestyle unlike any other. Let's take a glimpse from above and see Santa's water access path to this stunning estate. With over 500 feet of water frontage, Santa can skip the rooftop this year and arrive by reindeer or boat. Whether he's cruising in his sleigh or docking at the private concrete boat basin, there's no better place to welcome holiday magic than here. And the popular Sombrero Beach is just around the corner. Enjoy your resort-style saltwater pool. Envision a holiday barbecue by the poolside or relaxing in the heated spa under the starlit Keys sky. The spacious living areas are perfect for gathering with loved ones, and the gourmet kitchen is fully equipped to whip up a festive feast that'll impress even the most discerning guests. Whether you're baking cookies or serving fresh seafood caught just steps away, this kitchen brings everyone together. This estate isn't just a home, it's an experience. 7 luxurious bedrooms and 7 spa-like bathrooms ensure your family and friends have space to stay and celebrate. Every inch of this property is designed for both relaxation and entertaining. If you're enjoying this wonderful festive tour, I ask that you hit subscribe to this channel so you can be kept up to date with all the new videos and tours that are coming out. Let's continue on our tour. Walking through this beautiful office, we pass by a full bathroom, and we enter a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom mother-in-law suite. This private suite offers direct access to the pool and balconies, and also includes a luxurious living room and access to a private in-home gym. Now let's make our way upstairs to explore the stunning master suite and an ultimate kids' bedroom that's sure to make the holidays unforgettable. The master bathroom is exquisite, with a spa-like soaking tub, a walk-in rain shower, and elegant finishes. This space is designed for ultimate relaxation, perfect after a day of holiday celebrations. Take a peek at this ultimate kids' bedroom. The master bedroom is a private sanctuary, complete with breathtaking views of the canal and lush surroundings. Imagine waking up here on Christmas morning, the Florida sun streaming through the windows as you sip coffee on your private balcony. The final stop on our interior tour is the west wing of this incredible home, offering the perfect retreat for guests or family members seeking a little extra privacy during their stay. This wing features 3 beautifully appointed bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind. Whether you're hosting family for the holidays or welcoming friends for a weekend getaway, these rooms provide the ideal blend of charm and relaxation. Are you in the market for a new home this Christmas? Thank you so much for coming on this tour today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I am excited to showcase even more of this beautiful home. So make sure you click this video here if you want to see even more behind the scenes of this property, and hope you enjoy it.